Baowen. I thought you knew about that guy. This one. What do you think about that?
Oh no.
You haven't heard of it.
No, I don't.
So we have to do like that, right? And like that. You have some seconds left, minutes. You know, for example, this one. All right, this one.
English, learning English.
What do you think?
So, y para hacerlo, I'm here with Marta is a la cámara. Marta,
What do you think about that?
No, but I don't know this guy.
El crimen de resolver el idioma inglés de verdad. De ir poco a poco, little by little, poco a poco, little by little, paso a paso, step by step, slowly but surely. Sin prisa pero sin pausa. We are going to
Is teaching English?
solve,
Yeah.
resolver your English. Y para ello, 3 libros que creo que aquí también es información. You have information here.
Is
Pero presento los
English and
libros
speaking
formalmente.
Spanish
First,
center.
Yeah.
bueno, third, o 3, 2, 1. Third, vocabulary booklet. ¿Se ve, Marta? Es que a veces la luz, sometimes the light reflects. Vocabulary booklet, 4,500 términos, expresiones. In Spanish and in English. Mesa, table. Ensimismado, lo que sea. More difficult. Second, pero vamos a ponerlo aquí. Like this. Okay. Second, translation booklet.
That's very
Libro
good.
de traducción inversa. Listas en español y luego su equivalencia en inglés. Inglés para TV, TV, translation booklet. 4,500 frases. 4,500 sentences. Desde la más sencilla. Está en la mesa hasta la más complicada. De haberlo hecho ayer, podríamos haber terminado a tiempo, etc. So, it's un reto está servido. Translation booklet. A ver, pongámonos aquí. All right. Qué bonito. ¿Verdad? Finally, aquí, la Biblia. No en verso, la Biblia. En el idioma inglés. Student's Manual, manual del estudiante, el manual que usamos desde hace 30 años en esta casa para nuestros estudiantes de aula. So, esto sí que es algo que explica en español
About his
todos los
way
secretos
of
y los
teaching.
secretos.
Yeah, I like it because so when you are Spanish,
Yeah.
he speak English and immediately
Yeah.
he translates
Yeah.
in Spanish,
Yeah.
and I like the fact that he's saying a short sentences, and it's easier to remember it,
Yeah.
and immediately it translates
Yeah.
in your original language. So I like it because I would like to watch it sometimes. I think because it's look very how you call it? It's a very practical English. I think too is teaching.
So
Yeah.
I'm going to send to you Si Quieres Puedes, which is a book about this teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Or I think it's very useful for us.
Yeah,
Really
I
very
think-
useful. I'm going to send it to you
Yeah, send me please.
WhatsApp.
Yeah,
By WhatsApp.
yeah.
By WhatsApp. Here, right? And you only have to open it, right?
Well,
I don't know. You have received it.
yeah,
Yes.
I will.
How do you
Okay.
receive it? And then you will have to
PDF.
do like that. And then you
But you send me a PDF.
yeah, this will record. The deep one, yeah. You can open it. This one. You can visit it here or there. And we're going to use it. Maybe I'm going to tell you, can you print some of the book, not all the book, but some of the book? Because it will be very useful for us. Very, very useful. I think it's very, very interesting.
Okay.
I learned a lot from this person.
Okay.
First of all, I know one, but maybe I will ask you to print number. El inglés, ¿en qué consiste? Algo así, no sé dónde estará. El inglés o. Aquí.
inglés en
¿En qué
España.
consiste? No, el idioma inglés en qué consiste. This one will be very useful for us.
Ah,
And we're going to use it in class because it's very, very useful.
ok, capítulo 5.
You have all the body of the language, all the structures of the language.
Capítulo, ok. To print.
Yeah, that would be very good. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, so I have to be.
I highly recommend that. Yeah, this one, right? That one, and you're going to use it. All right.
Okay, yeah.
Number
it's-
5.
It sounds good.
Yeah, I think it will be very good for us.
Ah, yeah.
It's not the first time I use it,
Ah, okay.
so I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure about it. Thank you
Thank you,
for
success to
the
you.
session.
Thank you.
And Mr. Biel, like always, here.
And there is another user. We don't know his name or her name, but there are 2. So thank you to
But
the.
where is the
the
other
both
one? Ah,
users.
he didn't send
I-
anything.
And I expect you to learn from it and you like it. If you have any questions about it or any recommendations, you can easily tell us, right? Or ask for any doubts or whatever. So thank you so much. to
Thank you
every
so
one of you.
much.
Thank you.
See you
See you
later.
very soon.
See you soon.
Thank you very much. So you have to do like that.
Yeah.
And
Allez, I have to run.
10 segundos.
Hein?
Theory, 10 segundos. Así te puedo dar 20 euros.
¿De qué?
De esto, ¿no te acuerdas que te debía la clase? 25 euros.
Ah, sí.
Digo la clase, la videosesión. Te debo 5 euros. Tienes 5 euros si tienes 30.
Hola.
No tienes. Si no tienes 20, te debo 5 euros. Eso ya te lo doy. Eso ya te lo doy. Si no tienes 10, 5, te doy 5 y te debo 5. Te doy 20 y te debo 5. Y el viernes podemos hacer un video de agradecimiento por los 5,8 millones de visualizaciones.
¿Qué? ¿Media hora o a media hora?
Sí, la vida está de
Sí,
agradecimiento.
sí.
Vale.
Decimos a las 7.
¿A 7 te va bien?
Sí, a las 7. No tengo 5
No te quedas 20 euros, quédate y te debo 5 euros. ¿Vale? No me da por nada y te debo 5 euros.
Gracias.
Exacto. Ya está. Y gracias a ti. ¿Vale?
Que entonces mañana.